In today's video, we are going to cover how to edit tax withholding in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account with your usual login details. Once you are in, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This opens the employee directory, where you can view the team members connected to the account. From there, select the employee whose tax withholding you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct employee before moving forward, since the changes you make in the next steps will apply to that person's federal withholding information. After the employee profile opens, go to the Taxes section. This is where Gusto stores the employee's tax-related details, including the federal withholding settings. In the Taxes area, find the federal tax withholding information and click Edit next to it. That will open the fields you can update. Now update the employee's federal filing status. Choose the option that matches the withholding setup you need to enter. Depending on the situation, that could be single or married filing separately, married filing jointly, head of household, or exempt from withholding. Select the appropriate filing status carefully, since this setting affects how federal income tax is withheld through payroll. If needed, continue through the additional withholding fields shown on the form. You can update multiple jobs if that applies to the employee situation. You can also adjust dependents and other credits, which reflects credits that may reduce withholding. If there is other income that should be taken into account, enter that in the Other Income field. If deductions need to be reflected beyond the standard amount, update the Deductions field. There is also an Extra Withholding field if an additional amount should be withheld from each paycheck. As you enter or revise these values, follow the information you have been given for that employee's tax setup. The goal here is to make sure the withholding details shown in Gusto match the current federal withholding information you need on file. Once all of the necessary fields have been updated, take a moment to review the information on screen. Check the filing status again, along with any entries in multiple jobs, dependents, and other credits, other income, deductions, and extra withholding. A brief review here helps confirm that the details are correct before the update is applied. When everything looks right, click Save. Gusto will apply the changes to the employee's federal tax withholding information. After the save is complete, the updated withholding details will remain in the employee's taxes section for future reference. That is how to edit tax withholding in Gusto. The employee's tax withholding information is now updated in Gusto.